kind of guy. Another guy hoping to hear his name called, the Big Citrus, Domonique Orange. Love that name, the former North Kansas City Hornet and Iowa State Cyclone. He's 6'2", weighs 322 pounds. He lives up to the nickname, was third team all Big 12 this past season. He's projected to go in the second or somewhere around the third round. He tells me he's excited about his football future, even if right now he isn't really sure where it's going to be.
I'm excited with a little bit nervous in it. You know, don't know where I'm going, don't know when I'm going, but, you know, I'm still excited to even be in this position. You know, I'm one of a million guys to be able to, you know, say, have a chance of getting drafted. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm still excited.
I'm ready to know. I'm like him. I'm just ready to know. Once I know, I'm good. I'm good, but I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him. And
I love that about Mom. Mom's like, I just want to know where my baby's going to be.
Right.
That's all I want to know. I talked with Orange's former high school coach. He says having a draft pick is going to be huge for their program.
It's really excited for our younger kids to see former Hornets alumni out there doing great things. And, you know, that's something that really helps us reiterate, hey, if you have a dream, chase it. If you got opportunities, if you're willing to put in the work, that great things can happen down the road.
All right, this is pretty cool today. You can see behind us, they were taking a tour. Domonique was visiting North Kansas City High School, and they had up a special surprise up for him, a picture of him up on the wall. Pretty cool. You can tell they think a lot of him at North Kansas City. He's like, yep, that is me.
That's a special.